Dear teachers, I'm Zhe Wei from the affiliated high school of South China Normal University in Guangdong, China. My project is a study of the relationship between vegetation status, green coverage ratio, and visible green index of different types of roads in urban and rural areas. In 1987, the concept of visible green index was put forward by a Japanese scholar, which can best reflect the visual quality of urban and rural green space. However, no evaluation system has been formed in China. Consequently, I have collected relevant data and analyzed them in order to explore the relationship between vegetation status, green coverage ratio, and visible green index of different types of roads in urban and rural areas. Then the study was carried out. First of all, some roads were selected as the subjects. Then the plant configuration mode of each road section, as well as the proportion of trees in all kinds, was investigated. Subsequently, the average dBH and the average crown width of trees on each road section were investigated. Secondly, the investigations into green coverage ratio and visible green index were completed. Lastly, the correlation coefficients between all the measurements above were calculated, and the relationship was thus obtained, which was represented by table and scatter diagram respectively. From the chart above, we can acquire the relationship below. Firstly, there's a high positive correlation between plant configuration and visible green index. Secondly, there is a weak positive correlation between green coverage ratio, the average dBH, the average crown width, and visible green index respectively. Admittedly, there are limitations of this study, such as few samples and imprecise measurement, but it can still be used as a reference for the design of urban and rural green space. That's all. Thank you for listening.